I'm Sumit Singh. I'm from Motherson, and I'm working as a team lead there for our asset management team. Uh, our company is a sister concern of Samarna Motherson Group, which the basic business of the organization is in auto ancillaries. We are the IT division of the organization. We have multiple verticals across the globe, which is dealing in auto ancillaries. We have the IT infra of our global organization is set up. We have different data center across the globe. We have a data center in Germany, but our main data center, the IT division, is sitting in Noida office. We are managing our entire infra from our Noida center. Basically, the very first issue we were facing to organize our complete IT infra, we had no idea because our offices are spread over the globe. We have no idea how many assets we have, how many computers, servers we have, how to manage them, what softwares are installed, how to compliance them in patches and all. So we elaborated more. We start evaluating some products which can help us in this asset management. So our partner SoftSale has suggested us about the managing the desktop center. So we come through with the desktop center evaluated that, and yeah, it was quite good product which provides us all the information on a single dashboard where we can manage our complete IT infra from our central office, and the patches can be managed from that, so that we can get our compliance percentage in patch management goes up soon after we started deploying patches from our desktop central. We have idea how many assets we have, which software has installed on how many machines. So it provides us complete details about how we can plan our future IT aspects and all. Implementation, basically we do have internal IT team, but we got tremendous support from SoftSell also to get it implemented. No, basically earlier we were using our manual. We had some scripts and manual procedure to get it managed, but when we plan to automate this process, we zeroed down on desktop center only. Well, ManageEngine, initially we were only looking forward for some asset management tool which gave us the entire detail about asset management only. But when we were comparing multiple tools, we come to know about desktop central, which gave us good features like patch management and mobile device management integrated within a software deployment, integrated within a single tool, which help us which provide us some future idea of what we will work in future. That's why we choose to go with desktop central. We started to use desktop central as asset identifier. So when we deployed it in our organization, we find how many softwares are being installed at which location, and it helped us to identify which software should not be installed and where we are expending extra on these softwares. So this helped us a lot to manage our software. Also, we were using some freeware tools to manage patches on desktops. So when we come to deploy it through desktop central, it gives us a dashboard about all the patches, which help us to prepare reports for to understand what is the current status of our organization in patching, compliance, and software compliance and all. Well, we are using ManageEngine for last 5 years, and it's quite. They are having good team. They support us a lot in whatever issue we face. Basically, it was initially there was lot of features we required to get customized as per our organization, and yes, we got good support from them.